What is up, guys? It is Brandon Carey, and today for you guys I have the most fantastic news. I am so happy about something, and if you've been around on the channel and you know what I was upset about, then you probably know exactly what I'm happy about. And that is this car right here, my 2003 Infiniti G35, which, if you guys don't know, about 8 months ago blew up. Well, it didn't blow up, it's got a really bad knock to it. Let me just, I don't know if I've shed this on camera, how bad the knock is. I'm a scrub, I left, oh wait, no, I thought I left my keys inside. It's raining right now, so, oops. As you guys can see here, I showed a little clip of the inside, but here it is again, and I'm gonna show you guys just how bad she is knocking. It is pretty bad. Now, I am not going to do that for a very long time because it is the most unpleasant noise. But I will tell you guys that I have a new engine on the way, and that took a long time. That took a long time, as you guys know. But I put the hours in, and now we are here, and I could not be happier. I'm so excited. It's not here yet. It's on the way, but it is coming very soon. I hope it comes before May 17th, because that's when I have to leave for the beach. And to get my warranty, I have to do it within 10 days, or install the engine within 10 days. And if it came at the beach, that would be a big issue because I'm going to be gone for 10 days. But yeah, I'm putting it in myself. That's another cool thing. You guys are going to see it right here on YouTube. And that should be, hopefully it's within the next couple weeks. Hopefully that's when the engine gets here. I just bought it like 4 days ago. 75,000 miles, 50,000 mile warranty, or 5-year warranty. Whichever of those runs out first. Obviously, you guys know how that stuff works. Well, anyways, so yeah, pretty low mileage. As you guys know, a bunch of cool stuff's coming for it soon. I'm going to go ahead and start mocking everything up today, and marking some things off on the engine, probably draining some fluids and getting everything ready to pull the engine, so that when the engine comes, I'll have everything ready, so the process will go a lot quicker. So I'm gonna film all of that. I'm gonna move the Mustang outside and move this car in the garage. And I might have a part that I'm installing today. Of course, it doesn't have to do with the engine because it is but it is another kind of, I don't know if you'd call it cosmetic. It's like interior cosmetic. You guys will see. And I'm also going to try to fix up the diffuser a little bit where it's sagging. I'm going to go get to the store and get some double-sided tape. Hopefully I can do something about that. But yeah, guys, we got some good stuff coming your way. So yeah, I will see you guys at AutoZone or when I get back from AutoZone. What's up, guys? Unfortunately, none of the footage from the other night was salvageable. I'm not going to call any names, but whoever was filming, they were pressing the record button when I told them to stop filming, and when I said start filming, they were turning off the recording. But it's alright, we didn't do a ton. And since then I've done a little bit too. So I started pulling the front end off. Obviously didn't get very far, just got to the bash bar, and marked up some stuff on the engine bay, pulled some of the plastic covers off, just kind of digging into it a little bit. But today, maybe not today, maybe today I'm just going to do a bunch of other stuff, but I plan to finish pulling the front end off, but we'll see. So we'll get to it, guys. Just because it kind of makes it easier to get the bulbs out of this headlight, and I don't want to take out the fender when I've got all this stuff already out right here. I'm just going to go ahead and take the intake off.
What we do here is go back.
For whatever reason, the intake's connected all the way down here. I don't know why. It looks like there's some type of reservoir right there. Maybe it's some blinker fluid or something. But It was a meme, by the way. It was a meme. Don't think I'm stupid. Because I know there's one person that's gonna be like, he's a stupid idiot and he should die and his mom doesn't love him. And it's like, yeah, you know. Okay, I'm gay. It's connected to that. What the fucking fuck? I'm really just not understanding. Fuck it, I just broke something, but it's off. Oh yeah. Dang it. Dang it.
What'd you break?
I don't know.
Nah, I think you're good. I think you're good, man.
I should have said I take the bath off. There we go. Wow. There's that. Alright, well right now me and David are working. He's working on taking the headlights off and I'm taking these fenders and all this plastic stuff out, so yeah, that's what's going on right now.
Super fun.
So we got both of the fender liners out and David just finished getting that under tray out of there. Yeah. And we are steps closer. This thing is nasty as hell. Looks like it was leaking oil. So that's great.
That's great. Good thing we got a new one.
Now all we gotta do is get the radiator off, finish pulling the front end off, and she'll be ready to go. How about that?
Pretty exciting.
So David finally got these tricky little plugs for the headlights out, which were way more of a pain than they should have been, honestly. Like,
Definitely.
I think the headlights took more effort than taking everything else apart, which isn't how it's supposed to be. Don't think I'm an idiot. I might be an idiot, but don't think I'm an idiot. But David finally got them out of there. We had to tug on them for a while.
Yeah. Use needle nose pliers. Only way you get them out. Needle nose pliers.
But here we go.
A boy.
And all that's left, we got to get the radiator out of there and pull the front end. And then the engine will be ready to take out, you know? Well, of course, we got to disconnect the rest of the wiring. I got to mark everything off. And I started marking off a lot of stuff today with just different color codes and, you know, all that good stuff. But we got to finish marking off all the wiring, pull the radiator, pull the front end. Engine will be ready to swap. Anyways, guys, I think that'll be the rest of, I think that'll be just about all we're doing in this video, just because I'm going to try to get a few videos out of this process because I don't want to just try to cram it all into one. I want to be able to put out more content for you guys. So that's about all for today. Hope you guys are excited to see me swap another engine in this thing right here in this garage, or right here in this spot. I hope you guys are anticipating that, because I know I sure am, and I hope you guys are anticipating everything to come, because trust me, once I have the new engine in, it's not just gonna sit stock. I've got some big things planned. So I hope you guys are gonna get excited for that. And yeah, that's about it for this video. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.